Chiliz value equivalent to $0.76 a coin. The present exchanged cost range so 1 into 13.2 and 86. The earlier day closed at 1 into and 18. The change was plus 0.58, plus 476%. Opposite rate, US to CHZ. Chiliz estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $12. Exorbitant costs 13, while low costs 11. The found the middle value of costs at 12. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's ends are 12. Change for August 0%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.12. Exorbitant costs are 15, while low costs 12. The found the middle value of cost 13. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's ends and 14. Change for September 16, 7%. Chiliz estimate for October 2024. Before all else cost at $14. Excessive cost on 17, while low cost on 14. The arrived at the midpoint of costs of 15. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end was 16. Change for October 14, 3%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at $16. Excessive costs 20, while low costs are 16. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 18. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's ends are 19. Change for November 18, 8%. Chiliz conjecture for December 2024. Before all else cost at $19. Exorbitant cost 22, while low costs are 19. The found the middle value of cost 20. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends 21. Change for December 10, 5%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at $21. Exorbitant costs 25, while low cost 21. The found the middle value of cost 23. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends 23. Change for January 9, 5%. Chiliz gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at $23. Excessive costs 26, while low costs 22. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 24. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's ends 24. Change for February 4, 3%. Chiliz cost expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at $24. Excessive costs 27, while low costs 23. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 25. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's ends 25. Change for Spring 4, 2%. Chiliz gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at $25. Exorbitant cost 28, while low cost 24. The found the middle value of cost 26. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends 26. Change for April 4%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at $26. Exorbitant costs 29, while low costs 25. The found the middle value of cost 27. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends 27. Change for May 3, 8%. Chiliz gauge for June 2025. In the first place cost at $27. Exorbitant costs 30, while low costs 26. The found the middle value of cost 28. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends 28. Change for June 3, 7%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at $28. Exorbitant costs 31, while low cost 27. The found the middle value of cost 29. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends 29. Change for July 3, 6%. Chiliz gauge for August 2025. To start with cost at $29. Exorbitant costs 32, while low costs 28. The found the middle value of costs are 30. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends a 30. Change for August 3, 4%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place cost at $30. Exorbitant costs are 32, while low cost 28. The found the middle value of costs are 30. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's ends are 30. Change for September 0%. Chiliz gauge for October 2025. In the first place cost at $30. Exorbitant costs 37, while low costs are 30. The found the middle value of costs are 33. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's ends on 35. Change for October 16, 7%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $35. Exorbitant costs 35, while low cost 27. They found the middle value of costs are 32. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's ends 29. Change for November 17 1%. Chilliz estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $29. Exorbitant costs 29, while low cost 22. They found the middle value of cost 26. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's ends 24. Change for December 17 2%. Chilliz cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at $24. Exorbitant costs 25, while low costs 21. They found the middle value of cost 23. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's ends 23. Change for January 4 2%. Chilliz gauge for February 2026. In the first place cost at $23. Exorbitant costs 27, while low cost to 23. They found the middle value of cost 25. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's ends 25. Change for February 8 7%. Chilliz cost expectation for walk 2026. First and foremost cost at $25. Exorbitant costs 31, while low costs 25. They found the middle value of cost 28. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's ends 29. Change for spring 16%. Chilliz estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $29. Exorbitant cost 36, while low costs 29. They found the middle value of costs at 32. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's ends in 34. Change for April 17 2%. Oster CHZ expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at 991 coins. Excessive cost 10,000, while low 7,143. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 8,482. The Oster CHZ figure toward the month's end 7,692. Change for May 15 4%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for June 2024. To start with cost at 7,692 coins. Exorbitant cost 991, while low 6,667. They found the middle value of cost 7,648. The Oster CHZ gauge toward the month's end 7,143. Change for June 7 1%. Oster CHZ expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at 7,143 coins. Exorbitant cost 991, while low 7,143. They found the middle value of cost 7,928. The Oster CHZ gauge toward the month's end 8,333. Change for July 16 7%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for August 2024. In the first place cost at 8,333 coins. Exorbitant cost 991, while low 7,692. They found the middle value of cost 8,362. The Oster CHZ gauge toward the month's end 8,333. Change for August 1%. Oster CHZ expectation for September